I know you've all heard voices played on records. In the studio, we have a different way of reproducing voices and sounds.
Let me show him how to do it, boss.
Okay, Woody, go ahead. Whenever Woody gives that crazy laugh, the sound is recorded on a strip of film. Suppose we run it on the moviola so you can really see what it looks like. Now the film is going through the moviola, and the jiggly lines you see are the sounds that Woody was making. Let's look at it again. And this time we'll throw on the sound switch to hear how it sounds.
Guess who?
Voices are always recorded first. Because we must know how long it takes a character to say a word before we can draw the action that fits the word. For example, if Woody's laugh is 2 seconds long, we'll have to draw 48 pictures to show Woody laughing. After the laugh is recorded, the film goes to our cutting department, where Gene runs it through the moviola. Gene marks where the laugh starts and where it stops. He uses a soft grease pencil which doesn't scratch the film and can easily be rubbed off. Then the film is run through the moviola very slowly, while every letter in the sound is printed. The next step is to run the film through a counter. The counter shows just how many frames or pictures it takes for each letter that was marked on the film. Then Gene writes the letters of the laugh on a timing slip. This gives the director the information he needs to plan the action for all the scenes where there are laughs or voices. And that's how Woody actually gives his famous laugh whenever you hear him sound off. Let's hear it again, Woody, old boy.